All right, let's talk about entrepreneurial skills. We're going to break down exactly what it takes to turn a cool idea into a real game-changing business. And hey, this isn't some boring textbook lecture. This is the real deal playbook for thinking and acting like a true entrepreneur. So you've got it, right? That little spark, that amazing idea that you just know could be something huge. But what do you do next? I mean, how do you actually get it out of your head and into the world? Well, that's exactly what we're gonna do. Let's map out the steps to bring that idea to life. Okay, first things first. Before we even think about building anything, we need to get the foundation right. So what does it really mean to be an entrepreneur? It's a super important question because, it's way more than just being your own boss. So at its heart, entrepreneurship isn't just one thing. It's a whole process. You're developing a business, you're launching it, and you're running it. But here are the two magic words you really got to pay attention to: innovation and customer needs. Get those two things right, and you got the secret sauce for success. Let's make this super clear with a quick story. Okay, so on one side, you've got Ramu. He's got a traditional tea stall, and it's doing well. He's a business owner for sure. But then you've got Ronnie, and she's an entrepreneur. What's the difference? Well, she didn't just sell tea. She came up with a new idea, all these unique, different flavors. That one little tweak attracted a ton of new people. That right there, that's innovation, and it's the key difference. So if that innovative idea is the engine of your business, what's the fuel that makes it go? It all comes down to the mindset of the person driving it. Let's dive into the qualities you absolutely need to have to be a trailblazer. It really comes down to three huge things. First, you need patience. Seriously, nothing amazing happens overnight. Second, you gotta be positive. That positivity is gonna be your armor when things get tough, and they will. And third, just plain old hard work and perseverance. You need that grit to keep going long after that first burst of excitement is gone. And holding all of that together, confidence. You absolutely have to be confident enough to make the big decisions for your business. And you need to be able to talk to your customers with that same confidence. I mean, think about it. If you don't sound sure about your own idea, why would anyone else believe in it? This next part is, well, it's massive. It's all about trial and error. Having an entrepreneurial mindset means you can't be afraid to fail. You have to be open to trying new things, experimenting, and just seeing what happens, even if it doesn't work out. And here's why that's so important. Every mistake isn't really a failure. It's just information. It's a lesson. And this whole cycle, trying something, learning from it, and changing your approach, that's literally how you make your product better. It's how your business grows. Okay, so we've covered the mindset. You've got that down. Now let's get practical and turn that mindset into an actual action plan. What does the blueprint for a real business even look like? So the very first decision you have to make is, what kind of business are you building? Are you going to sell a product? Something physical that people can touch? Or are you going to offer a service, helping people get something done? Or you could do a hybrid model, which is just a mix of both. This is a huge decision because it's going to shape everything else you do. And no matter what you choose, your business needs these 6 pillars to stand strong. We've already talked about taking risks and working hard, but you also have to be adaptable, ready to change course when you need to. You've got to know your product and your market inside and out. You need some financial literacy so you can handle the money side of things. And finally, you need to be great at planning and actually doing the plan. Seriously, if one of these is missing, the whole thing could fall apart. All right, let's bring this all home. We've got the mindset, we've got the blueprint. Now we're gonna boil it all down into a super simple 4-step roadmap to take you from just an idea all the way to launch day. This is it. This is the whole journey in 4 simple stages. You start with the idea, then you get the money and materials you need, then you focus like a laser on what your customer needs, and finally, you just keep improving. Let's quickly walk through each one. Step 1 is that spark. That brand new idea. It's that unique way of solving a problem that nobody else has thought of. This is where everything begins. Okay, next up, you need fuel. This is where you gather all your resources, the money, the supplies, whatever tools you need to actually build your idea and make it real. Step 3 is absolutely critical. You have to shift your focus, because in the end, your business isn't about you, it's about your customers. You have to really, truly understand what they need and make sure that what you're building actually solves a problem for them. And last but not least, step 4. And listen, this isn't the end, it's actually more of a beginning. Launching your business isn't the finish line. Real entrepreneurship is all about constantly improving. You listen to what people are saying, you look at the results, and you just never, ever stop making it better.